Hazrat Abu Khilaba states that Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu said, as compared to other people, I better know the cause of the revelation of the verse of well. When Hazrat Zainab radiyallahu anha, the daughter of Jaish, was sent to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and while she was along with him sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the house, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam threw a wedding feast party and invited the people. So they came and sat there chatting. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam would sometimes go out and then come in, but they continued their chat. Whereupon Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed this verse: O believers, enter not the houses of the Prophet unless you get permission. For instance, you are invited to a meal, but not in this manner that you yourselves wait for its preparation. Yes, when you are invited, then enter, and when you have taken your meal, then disperse. Nor this, that you may sit down and amuse yourselves in talks. Undoubtedly, this was causing inconvenience to the Prophet, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had regard for you, but Allah is not shy of saying the truth. And when you ask them anything of use, ask it of them from behind a curtain. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4792.